Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the problem when the Epic Game Launcher won't open on your PC. Let's get started. First, make sure the launcher isn't already running in the background. On your keyboard, press CTRL plus Alt plus Delete to open Task Manager. Look for Epic Game Launcher.exe, right click it and then choose in Tasks. Then try opening the launcher again. If it still doesn't open, restart your computer or press restart clears hidden background issue that might block the launcher. Next, try running it as administrator. Right click the Epic Game Launcher icon and select Run as administrator. This gives it the permission it needs to start. Another common fix is to update your graphics drivers and Windows. Outdated system files can stop the launcher from opening. Finally, if none of these steps helps, head over to Epic Games Player Support on their website. They have more advanced fixes and can help based on your PC setup. And that's it. By ending the task, restarting or running as admin, updating drivers will fix the Epic Game Launcher not opening on your PC problem. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.